Hello everyone, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech. In this video, I'm going to do a FPS test while playing the Call of Duty game in the Mi Note 10 Lite, as you can see. So here is the Mi Note 10 Lite, which has the Snapdragon 730G processor, and in this test, we'll be checking at what FPS you can currently play the Call of Duty game in this phone, and how is the animations looks good or not. Is there any lag while playing the game? So I'll be using the different settings, high and medium and maximum settings in terms of the frame rates, and I'll be showing you all the different FPS, how much it is recording while playing this game. And good thing is that in the MI phones you do have the option to see the real-time FPS count in the phone without even installing any application, so that's a good advantage, and I'll be showing you in this video. And before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel Sai Tech Guru, and also to check the links in description if you want to know what wallpapers I'm using exactly. So you can find this kind of good looking wallpapers for the punch hole or any notch display. So if you are using any kind of mobile phones, try to check the wallpaper playlist. So links available in the description. So definitely try these wallpapers, and that will be worth downloading as well. Even the punch hole wallpapers as well. So which looks pretty good. And don't forget to join in the Instagram and Telegram group for the sample images for the Mi Note 10 Lite, so which will be very useful in case if you're having plans to buy the Mi Note 10 Lite. And even I'll be doing plenty of camera reviews as well, so I got the samples ready in my phone. So stay tuned for my camera review, so which I'll be doing on the Mi Note 10 Lite mobile phone, and also in the Telegram group I'll upload the few image samples as well. So try to get connect with me in both ways. And let's get started with this Call of Duty gameplay test here. So even I'll be trying the different games as well, Fortnite and Free Fire and Asphalt 9 and different games. So right now when you swipe it, you can see here the real-time FPS count, how much you are getting on the top. So you can clearly see. So which is a good advantage in the Mi phones and even in the Realme phones as well. So let me show you the graphic settings, what exactly I'm using right now. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also help me to reach the more subscriber count. So in the future I can review plenty of phones as well. So don't forget to like, share my videos with your friends as well if you feel my videos are very useful. So let me show you the graphics settings exactly. So what I'm using right now. So as you can see, it is the graphics settings which I have used right now. So high and the FPS at maximum, you can see clearly. So in the graphic quality to the high, and if you set the maximum FPS you can get, and if you set to very high you cannot get the maximum FPS. So that's the one thing which I noticed. And right now I have selected with the high and maximum, and let me try to play one of the game, and I can show you clearly how much FPS we are getting while playing this game. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more in-depth videos. So same kind of test I did with the other smartphones as well. Don't forget to check the playlist for each and every smartphone, so you can find very good interesting videos. So let me show you the FPS count, how much I'm getting. So you can see clearly the 60 mark is trying to reach the 60. You can see 59. So it's doing a pretty good job, the phone, in if you're choosing the high graphic settings. And with the maximum FPS you can easily get 60 FPS without any problem, you can see right now. But only question is if you change the graphic quality to the maximum, then you cannot get this kind of high frame rates. So let me go to the settings and go to the graphics, and let me select very high, and frame rates also very high, not to the maximum. And now let me try to restart the game so that the settings which I did change will come into effect. So right now still it's showing the previous settings, but just now I changed it to the very high and very high. So these settings will only come into effect once we open the match again. So let me try to quit the game and try to open everything. So let me try to even clear the game from the multitasking, and let me open Call of Duty again. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel SciTech Guru, so you can find plenty of useful like these videos definitely in my channel. I'll be doing plenty of videos, reviews as well on this Mi Note 10 Lite. So right now I'm using with a high quality graphics settings and with a high frame rates, so not with the maximum frame rates. So now the quality will be improved, but frame rates I'm not sure whether they will be, stick close to 60 FPS or not throughout the game. So let's check by starting one of the match. So this is the question with most of the subscribers whoever asked me regarding the Call of Duty. So that's why I decided to test in both methods. So as you can see right now with the very high and very high both. Let me try to start the game and show you the FPS count, how much we are getting right now. So even I will try to include the screen recording as well for the game, so we can get a clear clarity. So right now you can see the FPS is not getting close to 60 FPS. So we are getting only 41 FPS if you are using high quality graphics. So you can clearly see the difference in terms of decreased FPS count. So before we used to get 60 FPS if you are using with a high graphics settings and maximum FPS. But if you use very high graphics and with a very high FPS, you do get this kind of low results. So let me show you the graphics. As you can see, so if you want graphic quality to be high and the frame rates will be decreased, and if you want 60 FPS, then you need to choose this kind of exact settings, so where you can achieve good results, high and maximum FPS. So then only you can get the 60 FPS mark in the Mi Note 10 Lite. And at the end of this video I'll be including the screen recording as well of the gameplay. So thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Until then, bye.